By the end of this lesson, you should be able to multiply two polynomial functions. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to multiply two polynomial functions. So to multiply two polynomial functions is a normal way, like how to expand two algebraic brackets. So now let's look at this problem and solve it. So now, as I told you earlier, that multiplication of polynomial function is like how to expand two algebraic brackets. So we have two problems here to solve to get better understanding. So given that function f of s is equal to 2s cube plus 3s squared plus 4x plus 1, and h of s is equal to x minus 1, find function f of s times g of s. Then let's take our time and solve the problem number 1. So the number 1, we have to find so the function f of s is 2s cube plus 3s squared plus 4s plus 1 times h of s, that's x minus 1. So now this the problem. Let's expand. So let's use the second bracket x minus 1 to expand the terms in the first bracket by taking the first term x in the second bracket, that's x times 2s cube plus 3s squared plus 4s plus 1. Then use the second term to expand the bracket, 2s cube plus 3s squared plus 4s plus 1. So after doing this, take your time. Use the x to multiply each of the terms. Use the s to multiply each of the terms inside the bracket. Take your time. Use x here to multiply each of the terms inside the bracket. So we are going to get x times 2s cube. You have 2x power 4 because you have x times s cube. S times s cube like this. Here the power here is for 1. And indices, when the bases are the same, choose one base and add the powers. 1 plus 3, that's what, 4. So s times 2s cube is 2s power 4. So plus 3 times 3s squared, we are going to get 3s cube. S times 4s, we are going to get 4x squared. S by is what? Now, let's take our time and use the negative one to expand each of the brackets here. Now, use negative one to expand. We are going to get 1 minus 1 times 2s cube minus 1 times positive 3 minus 1 times 4s minus 1 by 1. Now, this is how to expand. Now, let's take our time and group the like terms by using the exponents. So now, use the exponents to group the like terms. So we have 2x power 4 power 3. We have 3s squared, 3s cube minus 2s cube plus 4s squared minus 3s squared plus x minus 4x minus 1. So let's try to simplify. We are going to get 2x power 4. 3s cube minus 2s cube is what? That's 3 minus 2, which is what? 1. So we have plus s cube plus 4 minus 4s squared minus 3s squared. That's 4 minus 3. And 4 minus 3 is what? 4 minus 3 is what? 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. So we are going to get s squared. X minus 4x. Coefficient is 1. So 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 is negative what? 3. You have minus 3s minus 1. And this is the final answer for this expansion. This is the final answer. So now let's look at the problem number 2. That's given that f of s is equal to 3s cube plus s squared minus 5s plus 4 and h of s is equal to 2s plus 3. Is to find the function f times function what? H. So now let's take our time to solve the problem 2. We are using the same process. So now f of s times h of s is equal to 3s cube plus s squared minus 5x plus 4 times 2x plus what? 3. Now it's the same thing. So let's take our time and use the terms here in the second bracket to expand the first one. So we are going to get 2x times so when we take our time and use the two terms here to multiply or to expand the first bracket, when you take the 2, you use the 2 to multiply all the terms in the first bracket as this one. And when you take the 3, use the 3 to multiply all the terms as this one. So now let's try to expand. Now let's try to expand and simplify. So by expansion, 2x times 3s cube, we are going to get 6x power 4. 2s times s squared, we are going to get what? 2s cube. 2s times negative 5s is minus of 10s squared. And 2s times 4 is what? 8x. So this is the final results for the first expansion. Let's use the 3 to expand. So 3 by 3s cube, we are going to get 9s cube. 3 by s squared, we are going to get 3s squared. 3 by minus 5 is minus of 15x. 3 by 4 is 12. Now, let's take our time and group the like terms. Take your time and group the like terms. So group the like terms yourself. Group the like terms. Group the like term. Use the exponents to group the like terms. Now you see, when you take your time to group the like terms by using the powers, you are going to get so when you take your time and group the like terms, this is what you are going to get. That's 6x power 4 plus 2s cubed plus 9s cubed like terms minus 10s squared plus 3s squared plus 3s squared, sorry, plus 3s squared plus 3s squared plus 8x minus 15x plus 12. Now, when you take your time and group the like terms, this is what you are going to get. So now, let's use these like terms to simplify further to get the final results. So we are going to get x 6x power 4, 2s cubed plus 9s cubed. We are going to get 11s cubed minus 10s squared plus 3s squared minus 7s squared. 8s minus 15s is another minus of 7x plus what? 12. This is our final answer for the second problem. So let's look at the problem number 3. Now let's look at the third problem. Given that P of S is equal to S cubed plus 4S squared minus 6S minus 1, and Q of S is equal to S squared plus X minus 1. Find P of S times Q of S. So I would like to leave this problem for you to solve it yourself. Take your time. Take your time. Go through the same process to get your final answer. Thank you for watching this video. If today happens to be your first time watching my video, then don't forget to hit on the notification bell for more updates. Thank you very much.